Sheena's got the camera.
Oh, they do.
Are they? Yep. Shut up. Everyone look forward. Come on.
I'll hang out here and make sure that she doesn't go first.
Okay, and just say come in. If the boys come in,
What about the music?
How you gonna do that?
The music.
okay, son.
She's gonna get scared.
The music.
It's got it under control.
Oh, got it.
He does.
He's really nervous today.
You look like you're at school.
I'm waiting for exit.
It's worse.
Okay.
You are eliminated.
No, we can just pretend we're talking. Pretend we're talking.
Yeah.
It would be right out of his house if you were like on a desert island or something.
Standing in front of the TV.
It would have to be Dominic because he's the cutest. Who would be useless? And he was tasty.
So what are we doing first?
Okay, you know, I don't know. Maybe not. I reckon.
Yeah.
I don't know. Well, because what time does it start? Oh, 6:30.
Are they going to do the throat slit thing on the haka?
No, I'm not good at this. I'm the door. Let's go.
Did you get it? I forgot. I was like, surprise! Oh. I got it Thank you!
Jenny, I thought you were going to do like a peep show style kiss. Yeah.
It probably does something like that.
It's cute, Molly.